Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is the Ubtech Star Wars robot. Pretty expensive, and like a lot of these robots, what happened was the Ubtech decided to link it to a server, and the effect of it being linked to a server is that when they switch the server off, what you end up with is a piece of junk. So I tried various methods in order to do something with the robot, and then I decided that the best thing for the robot actually be to be in pieces. So here it is, the main body. So as you can see, when you take the heavy foot off, you end up with a leg, but each of those legs is jointed with pins in the side. The main motherboard, which is here, was actually in the head of the robot. Turned out to be an utter and complete nightmare to unscrew it, and when you do, you end up with is this mass of wire connectors which come up through the neck. There's the neck with the on and off switch, and it comes up through the neck, and they all connect to that motherboard. Of course, the motherboard's completely useless. The aerial was wireless system, actually part of the main motherboard, and there was this nice little aerial system which was in there, which was an absolute swine to get in. See, there's the power adapter, so that connector there, which was the mains connector, is on the back, and there's all these lot other connectors, and these 3-pin ones are all for the servos. The foot was in fact very heavy metal, quite surprisingly, and that was actually screwed into the bottom of the leg, which was there by the foot. So there's the pins which sat on the bottom there, and then the metal foot on the end of it. And overall, I've taken apart what I wanted, and now what I have is I have the shell of a robot with space and connectors to servos. Given that their robot didn't work anymore, or more to the point, given that their robot motherboard doesn't work anymore, I'm actually going to put another motherboard in there. Plenty of space there, and also in the head, and space in the top for a camera as well. And I'll let you see what it looks like as I progress with the rebuild. I'm always interested in these things because to actually create something like this in 3D would be very time consuming and difficult to get the same effect as they've got. But given that everything's already in place, given that all the servos are connected to the legs and the body and the head, and why not make best use of the servos? So I'll be doing that. So that's what happened to my robot. Of course, when I've taken him apart, I thought, actually, I should have done a video on how to take him apart. It's just a little bit on the late side, so what I'll do is I'll wait for one of these to come up that's dirt cheap. There's still people selling these on eBay and Amazon, but they don't work anymore. If you buy one, you're really wasting your money unless you plan to do like I do, which is to put another motherboard and controller in there and use it as a standalone robot. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.